when you get this out of the package, it comes in this little zip bag right here. All 40 colors are in there. Dump it out, see what all was in there. And there's 2, 4, 6, right there, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 4, 8, there's 30, there's 40, I had one fall off. And then you got all these little gadgets over here, and the little tape to measure everything. There you go. I don't know how long these things are, how many feet are in there, but I got them for just to throw in a bag so I can have extra stuff to tie down, paracord to tie down stuff, and using my camping bags to hang stuff up, and so it's paracord. Don't know how long it is, but yeah, I really don't want to take it all out apart just to figure out how long it is. But anyway, there y'all go. If y'all need some stuff to make whatever you want to make, bracelets, wrist, whatever, dog leads, I got these little snap things, or dog collars. They even come with a whistle, y'all, I don't know why, but anyway. Little rings, make keychains out of them, little carabiners, like 1, 2, 3, 4 little small carabiners. So it's a good little kit if you want to do some crafts with it and make keychains or dog collars or cat collars or whatever you want to do with them. 40 different colors. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hi everybody, this is Sue, and this is a review of a product that I bought from Amazon. It's the brand name is WEREWOLVES, and it is these small paracord well, there's only 10 feet in each one of these, and there's like, I think there's 40 of them. They're nice, they're pretty, they're very colorful, there's a lot of accessories with it. I think you're supposed to make bracelets or something with it. That was not what I was intending to do with it. I was intending to make rope bowls because that's what I make with paracord and clothesline rope and whatever else, jute, whatever else I can find. This stuff I tried making a rope bowl with it. It didn't work. This stuff is very thin. For its intended purpose, it is a great product. And if if you're into making bracelets and things like that, keychains, stuff like that, this is a good buy. This is an excellent buy. I'm not giving up on this. I've got some ideas about how to do this, how to go ahead and make the rope bowls that I want to make. And I'm not sorry I bought this. It's just that when I got it, I was kind of surprised. I was expecting it to be heavier grade than what it is. So I have to rethink what I'm doing, because I tried sewing this and it's just too thin. So I've got to do something else with it. But as far as the intended purpose for it, it's an excellent product. And I do recommend, if you are into making bracelets and things like that, keychains, bracelets, whatever else you want to do with it, it's an excellent product for that. The colors are vibrant and pretty, and you know, it'd make a great, it's a great product. I have nothing to complain about, except I misunderstood what it was. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and buy it. And once I figure out what I'm going to do with it, I will make a tutorial video on it, and you can go to my channel and watch it there. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. This is Sue Knuckles. Goodbye.